energy that I know my source of energy is solar energy. Electricity is very important to humans, but sometimes to make electricity it includes making pollution, which is very good for our environment. That's why solar panels were made to help us live. How does it work? There are two different types of solars. The first one is called solar collectors. Solar collectors do things like heating up water. The way they heat up water is there are pipes inside the solar collectors, and inside the pipes is water. When the solar collectors get heated up by the sun, the water inside the pipe also gets heated up. Then that hot water goes inside things like your washing machines, your kettles, and all the other things that you use with hot water. The second type of solar is called photovoltaics. Photovoltaics make electricity. The way that they make electricity is there are wires inside those solar panels. When the sun shines, it makes electricity on those wires. 2 questions and 2 answers. My first question was, do all the solar panels look the same? And what is the name of the sun's energy? Solar panels look different. There are small flat panels, round panels, and long curved panels. Like I said before, they all have different ways to work, like electricity and also the heating of water. And the name of the sun's energy is solar energy. Where can you find this source? A place where you can find this source is solar power stations all over the world. There are many different places. And in hot sunny places, for example, a desert. At my house in Portugal, I have solar collectors, but they're not the ones that make electricity, they're the ones that make your water heated and stuff. Positives versus negatives of solar panels. The positives of solar panels is, if you live in a very sunny place, you get a lot of electricity or hot water. Scientists are lowering the prices for solar panels. The negatives of solar panels is they take up a lot of room and they don't really look nice when you have them in like a solar panel station. Is my source suitable for Singapore? I think my source is suitable for Singapore because it rains once in a while, but then again, it can also be quite sunny. Because on the chart, it's just over half, so this is Singapore, and 150 hours is half, and the sunniest month in Singapore is March. But for Portugal, over here, it's very sunny, over just over 300 hours, which in Singapore is up here. And the sunniest month in Portugal is July. This is another version. Is my source Singapore on the other page? That wasn't so easy to see. So the highest for Portugal is 400 hours, but for Singapore it's only 300 hours. So Portugal is probably a better place to put solar panels than Singapore. This is my
But when you were talking about Portugal and Singapore, why did you choose Portugal and not any other country?
Because Portugal is a place that I go quite often, and it's one of the sunniest places I've ever been. And also because in Portugal, in my house, I have solar panels, and my dad tells me a lot about them. So yeah, so I wanted to choose Portugal. Sophie.
So
two different types of solar. So one was photovoltaic, and what was the other one?
Solar collectors.
Okay.
Any more?